In this session, we will learn how to format a document. The first step in document preparation is to use page setup. Page formatting is explained in the subsequent coming videos. But for the document preparation, we will learn this in this video. To set up a page, go to Format, then Page Style and the Page option. The Page Style dialog box will give you several options. It allows you to select paper size and format. For example, A4, A5, B4, letter, etc. You can adjust the width and height of the document. You can also adjust the orientation, whether you want portrait or landscape. You can also set the margins for left, right, top and bottom. Now we will learn how to format the text. Formatting text refers to the formatting of paragraphs and characters. To do the formatting, first select the text and then apply the required text formatting features. There are various methods of formatting text. We can apply any of the one method as per the suitability. These methods are: use the menu option from the menu bar, use easily available tools, buttons on the formatting toolbar, use the context menu. The context menu appears by right-clicking on the selected text. And fourth option is to use the keyboard shortcuts. First thing that we will study is how to remove manual formatting. To see the effect of formatting the text, first remove manual formatting. For this, select the text and choose Format, Clear Direct Formatting from the menu bar, or use Ctrl+M keyboard shortcut, or click the Clear Direct Formatting button on the formatting toolbar. It will clear the existing formatting on the text and then you can apply the fresh formatting features. Second thing that we will study is common text formatting. Some of the common text formatting features generally used are changing the font size, changing font style, changing font type, or changing the font color. You can change the font size by selecting the font size over here, or you can change the font style. On the format toolbar, you will find the buttons representing the letter in bold, italic and underline form. These are toggle buttons. To apply any of the effect of bold, italic and underline, first select the text, then press the desired buttons on the formatting toolbar. The keyboard shortcuts for bold is Ctrl+B, for italic Ctrl+I, for underline it is Ctrl+U. For changing the font type, you can select from the drop down, and to change the font color, you can select the font color icon. Next we will study how to change the text cases. It is possible to change the case of the text. For this, go to Format, then Text, and now you can change it to lowercase, uppercase, cycle case, sentence case, capitalize every word, and toggle case. The shortcut key is Shift plus F3 for cycling the case. Next, we will study superscript and subscript. For example, in the date 5th July, the TH character appearing after 5 is in the superscript case. In some situation, such as while writing scientific or chemical formulas, such as O2, the character 2 is in the subscript case. To apply superscript, select the text, select Format, Text, and then Superscript. To apply subscript, select the text, Format, then Text, and then Subscript. See the shortcut keys for superscript and subscript. It is Ctrl plus Shift plus T and Ctrl plus Shift plus B respectively. You can also use these buttons mentioned in the formatting toolbar. Practice all the operations that we have studied so far. In next video, we will see paragraph style. Thank you.